Welcome to this video again. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an online store without having a website, and you can sell seamlessly, like so free, stress free. You can sell your products and services so well. Now, what's the essence of you having an online store in the first place? What's the essence? What do you need it for? Now, an online store, like Jumia. When you go to Jumia, you go to GIG, you go to Konga, you go to Ajebo Market, you go to Alibaba, name it, any online market you go to buy your products and services. Why do they have an online store that is going to make you to have your own online store? Remember, their own is a website, but yours is not a website. It's not a personal website, but it is still a website where you sell your product and your services. So why do you need it? You need it because sometimes you just need to avoid send me a DM or flooding your WhatsApp status with pictures of products, of pictures that you don't even give explanation. You don't even tell us why we need to buy this thing, but yeah, you flood it. You flood your status, making it so unbearable for people to view. Now that is why you need a automated store or a WhatsApp store. So whichever of them you want, that is why I'm going to show you how to create them. Now, you need an automated store or you need an online store to make shopping easy for your customers. For you to really know your true buyers, then you need an online store. Now, how do you know that people actually patronize Jumia? It's because when you get to the online store, when you go to jumia.com.ng, you're not going to ask them to send you account number. You're not going to ask them, they are not going to ask you to send a DM. You just go there, make choice from all the products that they are showing you. They make choice, pay, and go. So that is why you need an online. So you need to step up. Stop doing the local way of send me a DM or flooding your status with thousands of pictures without you even explaining what that product is about. When you go to Jumia and you search for a particular product, do you see that there is a brief description about that product? Do you see that? So that's what you actually need to do instead of flooding your your status with thousands of pictures without description, just putting price. Who do you think is going to buy from you? So if you really want to step up your business, then you need this video. You need to watch this video to the end. I'm not going to take much of your time. So this is an ebook I wrote. It's on my website. So if you need the ebook, I'm also going to send you a link to access it. Or still, I will just send you a link to access it. Just go through it. This ebook is on creating an online store using Flutterwave. Flutterwave is a payment gateway in Nigeria that allows you to sell your products. A payment gateway in the sense that you can link it to your website. If you have a website, you can link that Flutterwave to your website. They will also have another payment gateway that is also acceptable in Nigeria, which is Paystack. And we know that recently Paystack was sold for almost, like, I cannot even say the amount. The money was huge, like huge, very huge. That money was so huge. So it's a payment gateway that is also accepted in Nigeria. And recently they also launched their own storefront. They also launched their own automated store where you can also showcase your product and your services. So it is not just restricted to only Flutterwave. But in the course of this video, I'm going to show you for Flutterwave. But at the end of the video, I will also show you for Paystack so that you know how to set it up as well. So whichever of them you want to use, you can easily go ahead. So now let's get started. So I'm just going to come to my browser and then I will search for, I'm just going to search for Flutterwave. Flutterwave.com. So this is Flutterwave. This is Flutterwave. So you see, grow your business with Flutterwave, the easiest way to make and accept payments from customers anywhere in the world. So do you see? So this is Flutterwave. So when you come here, you have to create an account with them. You create an account. So you just need to click create account. So I think I already created an account with almost my two emails, but let me just see if I can create anyone again. So it's loading. So this is Flutterwave. This is Flutterwave account. Can you see? So this is Flutterwave. So you're just going to create an account with them. So how do you get started? Now, if you take note, I think my phone is on a desktop site. You can change your phone to a desktop site. You click here, this corner here, scroll. Okay, it's not on a desktop site, so it's on a normal site. So if you want to change your settings to a desktop site, you just come scroll here and click on desktop site. So you see the way the desktop site looks like. It shows it to you like you are viewing it with a desktop, that's a laptop. So let's allow it to load again. So I'm going to show you the way around. So let's get started. Now the first thing you need is your full name. So I'm going to say let me say, okay, I'm going to say Foley. And then my trading name, that's the business name I want to use. Let's say um mm, and then I'm going to put my email. So let's say, I don't know if I've used this email. Foley, okay, email.com. So I'm in Nigeria. So how did you hear about Flutterwave? You can just say from a friend. Then got a referral code. This is optional, you don't need it. Then I'm going to put a password here. Just make sure you put something you know because you need it. So let me just try something. So make sure you use something you can see very well. So I'm just going to click okay, I acknowledge and then get started. Click on the acknowledge and get started. Okay, can you see? So I'm going to save my password to Google Smart Lock to make it easier to remember. So now you see, it says check your mailbox. We have sent an email with your link to confirm your account. So I'm just going to go back and go to my email, check my email. So, so can you see the email here, Flutterwave email verification? So I'm just going to click on it. I'll click on the email. Just so I can verify my, I have to verify my email for me to continue. So can you see? So confirm your email. Before you can start accepting payments, you need to confirm your email address. So I'm just going to click on confirm email address. So I'm going to open this in a browser. I'm choosing Chrome. So you see, it will take me here directly like this. You know, I already saved my password on Google Smart Lock, so that's what you're seeing. It just took me like this, log into your dashboard. So I'm just going to click on log into dashboard. So I'm logging into my dashboard now. And network is actually bad. Like okay, so can you see? Can you see? Hi, okay, Mute. Let's set up your account real quick. So these are the process. So I need to add a phone number. What is your bank name? What is your corporate account name? Corporate account number. So let me walk you. So I'm just going to change my phone setting to desktop side because I really want to enjoy all the features that I need. Yes, so can you see? So endeavor to change your own to a desktop site. Yes, so that you can actually see all the features very well and not so this is it. So let me show you. So you see the add a bank account. What is your bank name? A corporate account number. When you get to this point, when you get to this point, now let's put our phone number. 08136967821. So you verify your phone number, then an OTP will be sent to you your phone number. So we're just going to wait and see if it comes. So I'm just going to wait and see. Okay, I think it has come. So I'm going to look for the OTP 465898. So can you see 465898? Hope I'm correct. 465898. So I'm going to click submit. Are you seeing? So my phone number has been verified ASAP. The next thing is, what's your bank name? So I'm going to choose my bank. I choose my bank here. My bank is Zenith. Then the account number, let's see, 211-865-7738. Add account and continue. So you see, a bank account has been added. So my business information now, what is your business email address? So I'm just going to say I'm going to put my normal email address. So what is your tax? Okay, that's your TIN. So this one now has to do with let me see how we can pass here. Okay, this one is for a corporate account. Yes, so let me okay, so let's continue. Now the reason why it's showing you this you're seeing here is simply because I didn't select individual account. So when you are creating your own, check out for the space where they ask you, how are you signing up? Are you signing as an individual account or a business account? So that they don't ask you for memorandum and articles of association, certificate of incorporation, registration, and other irrelevant documents. So when you sign up as an individual, they don't ask you for all of this. So once you've added your bank account, add your phone number, by default you can start receiving on your site, on your account. So now to get started, let me show you how to create the store. So you already have an account with them for you to start showcasing your products and services. So what you do, you click on this place you're seeing here, you see, and then you look for store. So I'm going to click on store, and then we have something like this. Say you have no products here to set up my store. So I'm going to click set up my store. So what's your store name? So I'm going to say Beauty Castle. Then the store description, say I'm going to put get glammed always affordably. Then my store URL will now be flutter/beauty castle. So I can put a store image, which is like a logo or an icon. I'm going to click add image. I'm just going to click add image, and then it should take me to where, yes, so I'm going to select files to upload. I'm going to browse. Okay, I'm just going to browse from my pictures. I'm going to browse on my pictures. So I'm going to look for, okay, let me use this let me check here. I think there should be something here. Okay, I think I can use this smile funny. So I just click up. Hope you're watching the process. So you can see that it's uploading the logo I'm uploading to my store. So once it is done, so I'm just going to choose store category. What's the category of my store? What are we into? So I'm going to search here. I'm going to search. I think we're into um beauty and skincare. So I choose beauty and skincare. So I click complete setup. So you can see now. So I'm going to click on, let me see, manage store. So you see, so if I manage my store now, you see turn off shipping. I will handle my shipping. I don't want to put shipping stuff. I can just say I will handle my shipping fee. So you can add shipping fees and rates if you are selling a physical product, if you are in the product based industry, you're selling physical product, you sell bags, you sell shoes, you can add the shipping fee. But if you are in the service based industry, people that create digital products like us, I sell ebooks and I want to put my ebooks on the store, I don't have need for shipping fee. You get the point? I don't need a shipping fee. So for those who are selling